Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mark, and today I want to show you how these slot together shelves go together. I designed them specifically for people who need to take things apart and put them back together. For example, if you're going to a craft show and you need to have something disassembled and stored flat so you can travel with them, that's exactly what this is made for. And this particular set comes with a 2-shelf or a 3-shelf version, and you'll see how they work here. This is what it looks like, and they've got a slanted shelf. They're made for boxes like this that I designed, and they're made so that you can display them easily and so that the top is showing to the customer so they can see what it looks like and so that they can come in and out easily. So it's made to tilt forward toward the customer rather than being flat, and that's the purpose of these. And they slot together really easily. They're made for 1/4-inch material, and in the file, I've got several different thicknesses for you already made. I've got 0.25, 2.4, 2.3, 2.2, 2.1, and 2.0. So that way, if your material fluctuates like 1/4-inch material does, you'll probably have an option there for you. And if you use a program like Lightburn, it's very easy to quickly change the slot sizes. And I'll do a tutorial on that if you need a hand for that. But let me show you how the pieces go together. I'll show you all the pieces first. You've got the 2 sides, and then you simply take the shelves and you slot them in like this. They just drop together, and then you can take them apart easily. And then there's 2 support pieces underneath that helps keep it from wobbling. Now, the tightness that you want your pieces to fit is up to you. The snugger or the more tight that it is, the more stable that the shelf is going to be. Like, these are very, very tight, and so it's very stable. Of course, as you can imagine, if it's a loose fit, it's going to wobble just a little bit. So that's going to be up to you to decide. One more tip I have before we put this together is I want to show you this. These pieces right here, this tab on the side, they're fine, but if you make this really tight and you have to push really hard to get it in there, you could get it crooked and snap these off. So just be careful when you do that because that could happen. One other thing you can do to make this look really great is you can use different materials, whether it be wood that you paint or stain. If you paint it, you might get some grooves in this as it slides in and out, so be careful if you paint, but you could stain it, and you could also make the shelves out of clear acrylic. That would look really classy as well. But let me show you, I'll speed it up a little bit, but I'll show you how this goes together. So you start with one of the sides. All 3 of these are the same. You just slot it down in here, just like that. You'll take the other side and slot that as well. And I made this intentionally loose so that I could do this on camera easy. It's up to you how tight you want this to be. And then once you have all 3 in there, you can also put the tabs in there like that so that they don't slide off. And then the last piece you can put in there is the bottom 2 that go across the bottom, just like this. And that helps stabilize it, these 2 do. And again, the tighter you make this, the better it's going to be. If it were me, I would probably glue the tabs into the shelves so they don't fall out like that one just did. It depends on how easy you want them to come out for transport. And there you go. And I'll show you, this one is very loose, and you'll see that it will rock just a little bit like that. And so the tighter that you make the fit, the less it will rock, and these will be absolutely sturdy and don't move at all like these do. And again, you can use different materials like the clear acrylic for the shelves, and that look fantastic. But that's how you put together the 2 and 3 shelf versions of the slot together shelves. I think you're really going to dig them.